Al-Zawahiri, the number 2 in Al-Qaeda terror group, was killed in a US drone strike at a safe house in Kabul, Afghanistan. The US Army used a drone strike to kill Al-Zawahiri on 31st July 2022. The weapon used was R9X, a Hellfire missile armed with long blades. What important to know about this R9X missile? It can be operated with artificial intelligence for target detection. An R9X Hellfire missile can strike one individual in a car without hurting the other passengers. Digital technology enables such precision and will only become more advanced with 5G networks powering artificial intelligence. Even the drone technology used in the US military operation to kill Al-Zawahiri works with AI. Drone technology works with artificial intelligence computer vision to scan surroundings, detect faces of a person and hits the target. The R9X, also called as Ninja Bomb, the missile has become the US weapon of choice for killing leaders of extremist groups while avoiding civilian casualties. The missile is fired from a Predator drone. It has no warhead but deploys 6 blades which can fly at high speed and can crush the targeted person. The R9X missiles were born after former US President Barack Obama emphasized on avoiding civilian deaths in US airstrikes in Afghanistan, Pakistan, Iraq, Syria, Somalia, Yemen and other countries. The RX-9 variant of Hellfire is used only in specific circumstances, particularly when a terrorist leader has been pinpointed. It is intended to limit damage compared to typical missiles by reducing the risk of killing innocent people around the target. The Hellfire R9X is a little more than 5 feet long and weighs just over 100 pounds. The Hellfire R9X cost more than $100,000. The recent news is a sign that artificial intelligence can be used in future warfare. If you like these videos, please do like to subscribe to Artificial Intelligence. For facts videos, please do subscribe to MVS Facts English.